Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm going to take you on a farmhouse fall home tour. This is something that I just told myself I'm not going to do because sometimes home tours feel a little bit overwhelming. You have to make sure your house is clean, and sometimes also it's a lot coming up with the decor. So I decided to do it anyways because we added a few cozy things. We added a new faux fireplace and a wood stove, which just made the house instantly feel cozy. And I thought, you know what, if I add some pumpkins to this and some dried fall florals, the tour will be on. And so I decided to do it anyway. Stay tuned. The faux mantle project as well as the wood stove project is coming soon. I also shared the DIY wood stove hearth recently on this channel, so that if you want to figure out how to add some cozy elements to your home, even if you don't do a chimney, the faux mantle project can help you to achieve the look of an old fireplace. So when you first walk into our home, you have the entryway. That is where we did install our wood stove because that's where the chimney is. There's still plenty of clearance there. But to make that space really cozy, I brought in some chopped firewood as well as some pumpkins. I just kept it really simple. It's an already cozy area. To the left, you have our living room. I'm still waiting to do a full-blown makeover, or at least I'm working on it. So I'm waiting for the couch that I ordered. We're gonna hang some curtains and repaint. But for now, we have a cozy mantle with pumpkins, candles, and fall florals. I like to focus on dried. To spend $0, just go out and collect some foxtails, some dried leaves, anything like that. Dried eucalyptus also works really well in the fall and adds a little touch of green. I also warmed it up a bit in there by bringing back out my cable knit blankets, which I stash away for the spring and summer months, and some pillows with a bit more texture and warmth. In the dining room, I didn't really do much except just add a tablecloth and some pumpkins to our farmhouse table. Kept it very simple. In the kitchen, I added some dried florals to grapevine wreaths and swapped out my lavender wreaths on the hutch doors to the fall wreaths. I also just cozied it up with some candles and pumpkins, and I got my Harvest Spice diffuser blend going just to make things warm and cozy. I'd planned to swap out the curtains on my window, but I never got around to sewing them, so it's gonna stay the pink buffalo check. In our bedroom, I switched out my peach and white sheets that I put on in the summer for my blue linen. I brought out my white linen duvet and my big down insert and the quilt. It's so cool in there at night. I've been opening the windows and I'm freezing by the morning, but it's a good kind of freezing. In the summer, whenever I took a table runner, cut it in half and made 2 pillows, it was a really super easy project. I did the same thing this year because Target had the exact same size table runner, only in a fall palette, and I thought, you know what, I already know that that size is going to fit my pillows, so this will be an easy swap, and now my bed has a nice plaid flannel for the season. For the front porch, I just stacked up some pumpkins. I still have a green fern because it hasn't frosted yet, and also some orange mums to really cozy it up and make it feel like fall. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this simple fall home tour. I definitely don't go all out. I always have intentions of going a little bit more out than I do, and then real life still happens whenever it's fall and you want to decorate. Just adding in some candles and warm textures like knit and flannel and pumpkins really helps to bring a warmth and usher in a new season and create that spirit of coziness. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.